follow our sound of the wind is for the ship, for the sheep, for the shark. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Okay, so let's try to write down the sound. As you can see, we have two letters. For the snake, for the horse. Okay, so now I'm going to write down here. Slide down the snake down to the head and the hooves and over his back. You can write down in the air. So I'll try on the bigger one. Slide down to the snake, down to the head, to the hooves, and over his back. One more time. Maybe a bit quicker. Slide down to the snake, down to the head, to the hooves, and over his back. Shark. Can you repeat after me? A big fish wish to be a short fish. One more time. A big fish wish to be a short fish. Splish, splash, splosh. So I finished.